It's a July long weekend and most people are out camping, but we had to cancel our camping trip for this weekend. And so I'm just washing the trailer. So I'm going to give you a little tip on getting some marks off your trailer, and I'll explain later why we canceled. So the first thing I like to do is take some of the black marks off the trailer. You get them from water running down it. It leaves black streaks. I know it's on siding, but I'm not sure if you get the same thing on fiberglass. But if you have a trailer with siding, you definitely know what I'm talking about. So you'll get streaks up a couple of different spaces. So I take a little bit of rubbing compound. Don't use anything too abrasive. I use 3M, and this is a little expensive. I get it. I got this from a friend who owns a body shop, so I didn't have to pay for it. There was just a little bit left in it. So you can use any rubbing compound. You just basically take it in. You find out where you left the black marks, or the black marks are. You also, it'll take some minor scratches out. So if you brush it against a bush or a shrub, it will actually take them out too. So just go in. You will definitely not see this in this light or like this. And it will take it out. I'll see if I can show you one here. Let's get a little bit left in here. Let's see if I can show you one. Well, I'm not sure if you can see that well. Worth a try. So basically I've already done this side. So then what I'll do is I'll spray it down, scrub brush it, and then I usually let it sit to dry, or I'll wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and clean a lot of the plastic chrome spots, touch it up a little bit. So this weekend we were supposed to do Finlayson Point Provincial Park, but we canceled a couple of months ago. Monica decided that it was a good time to go visit her family now in the Czech Republic, with a lot of the COVID restrictions easing off. So she's gone for a couple of weeks, and when she comes back, we've still got quite a few more to do. We've got Samuel de Champlain, Emily, Lake St. Peter, Osler Lake, and Grundy Lake. Unfortunately though, I'll be probably be doing all them solo with Kenzie. Casper's health is not getting any better. She's 15. We've got her on pain medication and stuff, so she's she's not doing too bad, but just I think camping would probably be too much for her. So Monica's going to stay home and watch Casper when we do the camping. Unfortunately, we will miss her very much, but we and Kenzie will have fun still.